I've just had a swim and I'm in the shower room. I've washed my head because I can't. I've got little stumps of but I think you might be able to see it. So I've got the oil. I've got the oil in. I put this in my head now, and I'm waiting, and I'm going to wash it off in a minute. So that's what I meant by I don't see the sense in putting it on for a couple of seconds and wash it off and really expect it to have some kind of effect on my hair. Yeah, but there it is. Finished swimming.
Here we are.
Oh, you've always been an asshole.
Phase 2.
Thanks for coming, Mike.
Lewis, the barber,
I mean, I would have got here.
Trying to keep a straight
I was
face.
standing on the wrong bench for 20, huh?
is just touching up the mumsy. Taking the absolute mick. Yeah, it's a good thing Dad didn't see. Dad, he took the, what's that called?
The clippers.
The clippers, and he went down to here on Mum.
In my beard.
Oh, what, this was a
Taking
setup?
liberties with the mumsy.
Yeah.
I don't think she needed a haircut, but how you feeling, Mum?
No, I did need a haircut. Yeah, I'm feeling fine.
Because why, you had a whole 2 millimeters of hair.
I get the Batana oil, start going off again. I'm had the two.
Are you using the Batana oil?
Yeah, I
I'm
am.
2 day stubble.
Are you feeling the difference? Are you seeing the difference?
No.
You're not? Okay. But we wanted a haircut anyway. Do you want to
No,
look into
because-
the camera here? Do you want- yeah.
Because I use it when I go swimming. Like we're going swimming in a minute, maybe. And
You better get a move on because they're closing that sauna down soon.
yeah, today.
Yeah, they're closing it down. I think this weekend or whatever.
Okay.
For how long?
3 weeks.
Okay,
Yeah.
so I won't start my membership just yet then.
Yeah. So when I go swimming, it's like every 2 days or every 3 days. I wash my head, and then put the Batana oil on, and then wash it off, and that's it. Nothing else goes on it for a couple of days.
Just leave it on for a minute.
I did, but I did worry that it might give me a headache.
You're supposed to leave it in.
Well, that's disappointing.
Not according to the
Any
instruction.
words, Lewis the barber, second time round doing mumsy's head?
Shiny, silky smooth. You know, keep it funky fresh.
I met a girl at swimming as well. She came in with her bald head as well. And I said, sister, right? I wanted to take a picture of me and her together, right? She said to me she did hers just the night before.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was really nice, the two of us. So she confessed and said that she had a problem as well, and she got fed up, so she took it off as well. And I thought, yeah, man, let's rock
Let's
it.
rock it. Did she have her swimming cap as well?
No, it was silly.
Oh, you were.
Yeah.
And what do we call this, Lewis?
Smooth. Wakanda forever.
Do the Wakanda, Mum.
Yeah, it kind of
Do you?
yeah.
There you go.
It
Lewis, do
grew
the
very
Wakanda.
quick.
Both of you. Come on, get it together.
So here we have it, the Batana oil. I've just put some in, and it does smell like coffee. And it was said on some of the film that Batana oil should be raw and don't have any other ingredients in it, which this does. I don't know if you can see it, it's not focusing, but this does. And I believe it says coffee, whereby it's only meant to smell like coffee, not meant to have the coffee in it, according to other women. But anyway, let's see what happens. Money spent, money used, so might as well use it. So let's see what happens, see how long I can keep this in or on my head until I get a headache, because I am allergic to chocolate. And it smells a bit like chocolate, but it's meant to be coffee. But let's see what happens. And there it is. And I've done a video of my son cutting my head again, but I thought I'll wait a while before I put it up. And it's starting to grow back again. So, and I know that without putting the Batana oil in it, my hair will naturally grow anyway. But the main thing about using this now is to grow the ball patch. So let's see what happens. I think this is the 4th time I'm using it now. Yeah? So, yeah. Thank you for watching.